What's up, everyone? Miguel here with Forex Evolved, and today I'm going to bring you guys a super quick video on how to read candlesticks. Reading candlesticks, once you get the hang of it, is super easy. So let's dive right in, because the faster we learn, the faster we profit. Let's take, for example, a look at this candle here. Now, each of these candles represents 5 minutes. I can change this to as low as seconds, 1 minute, 5 minute, 15, 1 hour, daily, weekly, monthly. Depends on your strategy. You could be a long-term investor. Maybe you want to look at the trend, or maybe you just want to scalp, see what's happening on the quicker movements. Depending on your strategy is what you'll look at. But for example, for this example, let's just look at the 5 minute. It really doesn't matter. We're just looking at candlesticks. This candlestick here is a green candle. Why? Because it opened at this level, the bottom of this rectangle, and it closed above. That's the only reason why it's green, because it closed above where it opened. And if it closes below where it opens, it'll turn into a red candle. So if it's a red candle, it means it opened here and it closed here. Now, I'll talk about these wicks right here that you'll see on mostly every candle. Some candles won't have any wick. For example, like this one, or even this one doesn't have a wick at the bottom or the top. So these wicks here is just, it represents the range of what happened in those 15 minutes. So this green candle at one point was a red candle. Why? Because it's telling me that when it opened at this price level, at some point it pulled below where it opened. And eventually it came back up within those 5 minutes, and it came all the way up to this level before closing here. And then it opened here. Possibly it could have pulled all the way up, could have came down first, but all we know is that it opened here. At some point it pulled back, pulled up, closed here. Red candle. Let's take a look at this red candle here. This red candle opened here, pulled up slightly, so it was green for a brief moment, and went below where it opened all the way down and closed here. This pretty cool green candle has no wick. Essentially means that it opened, and for the next 5 minutes all it did was slowly go all the way up, and it didn't even go above, didn't do any pullbacks, and it closed here, opened here, this red candle, and closed here. That is the easy way to read candlesticks, and just get the hang of it. Pull up a chart, go to tradingview.com and study these candlesticks. All right, guys, see you in the next one.